Our role play is gonna be thunderstorm. I don't know who is this. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, RP role play. I almost said role. RP means role play, but oh well. Same thing. Okay. Let's start. Pretend she has clothes, cause I'm too lazy to give her to her. Okay. Anyways. I'm so bored. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm just gonna sleep. Oh, don't. If I stop, it means I'm with Samsung, and in the record I have it, and it keeps fading away like that, like that. I'm not even pointing to it. Yeah, that curtain over there. Yeah, like that. It keeps fading away. Anyways, turns on light. Can you like stop? I'm trying to play with my dolly. Shut the fuck up. Oops. Now let me sleep. Breaking news. A tornado is gonna be there. I repeat, a tornado is gonna be at 12:44. Wait, let me see the clock. The time will start in is it supposed to be the time? The time. It will be 1:49. I repeat, the time will be 1:49. It will start. Yeah. Because I repeat, it's not a drill. It's not a drill. It's not a drill. It's not a drill. It's not. It's not. It's not a drill. It's not a drill. It's not a joke. What? I have a voice crack. So that's why I sound loud. Wait, let me put these. For this roleplay, this is me, but this is supposed to be me. And this is, so I'm gonna do 1, 2 family. This is the mom, this is the daughter. Okay, anyways. Oh, wait, you know this, yeah? The chick. Oh. Okay, never mind. I was about to ask. Is it gonna move? Mommy, wake up. What? Oh. What the hell you want? I look like a snowman, don't I? You do, Loki. But anyways, a thunderstorm. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Shut up, I'm trying to sleep. Shh. Wait, let me put her in pajamas. I'm gonna go sleep. Be quiet. And if you don't sleep like me, go to your bed. I'm gonna do her bestie. And then after I'm gonna put it away. Wait, they Loki changed. Hey bestie. Get out of my house. I'm not your bestie anymore. Anyways, I want to play with my dolly. Okay, when I make the fart sound, it kind of looks like a real one. But Loki like the dress and that, you see? And Loki, they kind of change it. Okay, anyways, on to the roleplay. I'm so scared. Okay, I woke up. So what now? A tornado's gonna come at 1:49. What? I have voice crack. Anyways, we gotta go to a safe place. Like, let's go. Oh my god, it keeps fading away. Okay, never mind. It was sit down. Let's sit down.